we're here, and I'm going to show you how I take this down. But if you look at this, I mean, look at this freaking specimen right here. It's beautiful. It's rested, it's crackly, it's very nice. I just reheated it ever so gently. Okay, so enough talking. Okay, cut this part. Start here. I think it's very important to note that this is the absolute best part. Okay, so you make 2 surgery incisions, and then I will start taking pieces off here. Okay, don't freak out if you miss this. Don't worry, it's just going inside of a bow bone. But that's why you make the surgical cuts. Okay, once you got that piece off, then I come on this side. Okay, because you want those crispy parts right there. Now, very important. Try to keep this hand clean, okay, as possible, okay, and then boom. So, boom. Use the towel. Okay. Now listen, there's a breastbone in here, so just be careful because the skin is the best part. But same thing. The difference between a duck and a chicken is that the duck has a longer breastbone. Okay. All right. You want to avoid that, but it's not the end of the world. Yeah, this is nice and cooked. As you can see, it's still really hot. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll just turn this guy around. Alright, let the knife do the work. Okay. Okay. Very important. Okay. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Flip this guy. Okay, make sure you get that. Make sure you get that skin, bro. We worked so hard to develop that skin. Boom, look at that. Beautiful. The skin is nice and crackly. Okay, I'm just being very careful to not keep it on that, okay, so, boom, you got that. Now, you can move the towel, and you have a whole bunch of wonderful, fatty duck pieces to work with. So, what I like to do is just kind of like trim off the extra fat, and the skin that's amazing I will keep. But basically this is what you want. You want these nice pieces like this. So we will start with the legs. Okay, and then so for the skin, what I like to do is just trim off the fat that's right here. That's great. Put that to the side. Okay, so here we are. As you notice, I'm just taking off where the cavity was, okay? You don't want that part. But you see this nice, fat, juicy, voluptuous, you want that. Okay, then there's also a part right here that you want. Alright, what I like to do is cut around the bone. I left one with the bone on so I can gnaw on it. And these pieces, ooh, look at that. That looks amazing. Don't you dare get rid of that skin. Okay, this is from the inside of the cavity. We don't want that, and then this is from the tail. Now, for the breast, super easy. All I like to do is keep this part intact, okay? And then very gently slice down. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the breast on a separate plate. Dude, this flavor is unreal. You can see the separation, and look how much fat is between the meat and the actual... Listen to this. Oh, it doesn't get better than that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Okay, look at that. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Now, next is the lovely skin. So, now there's a lot of moisture on the cutting board, so that's why you always have 2 towels. One to wipe, one to break the bird down on, okay? Because you don't want any of that moisture on your bird. Now, I want y'all to hear this, but it's very important. I try to get any of the excess fat that you don't want off of that back skin. But listen to this. Ooh. 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 Yes. Okay, here we go. Oh, here it is, bro. This is my favorite part. This is that back part. The back. I'm going to put that in a nice little pile of crisps. And we are going to go ham on that. Don't forget about this. This is Daddy's piece. Okay? But I think it's really important to know that, you know, I would do this a little bit different if I was in a restaurant, but I'm in my house, so. But that's how I like to take it down. Take off the back first, okay? Take off the back first, then you work your way around the carcass. I have got the freaking recipe.